continuous improvement in higher education. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore together a fundamental topic to higher education. We'll discuss continuous improvement and its transformative impact on your institutions. Let's begin this journey. My goal today is clear. I want to demonstrate how this approach is absolutely essential for ensuring educational quality and achieving the transformation that our institutions truly need in today's changing world. We'll explore three fundamental aspects today. First, the systematic cycle that drives improvement. Second, how we measure and evaluate progress effectively. And third, the tangible benefits that this practice generates for our educational communities. Here's something crucial to understand from the start. This process isn't a final destination that we simply reach and then stop. Instead, it's a continuous journey, a path of constant transformation that positively. So, what exactly is it? Well, it's a recurring activity that happens systematically over time. It's designed to increase our capacity to meet established requirements and to generate measurable positive impacts in educational organizations and beyond. Now, this concept operates on multiple levels simultaneously. First, it's a fundamental principle of organization management. Second, it's a normative requirement established in ISO 9001. And third, it represents an entire organizational philosophy that guides institutional behavior. One key characteristic is crucial here. This approach is systematic and recurring by nature. It's not just a one-time event or some temporary initiative. Rather, it represents an ongoing organizational commitment that must be deeply embedded in the institution's very culture. Another fundamental characteristic, this process is driven by concrete data and based on solid evidence. We use performance indicators and objective information to make informed decisions, strategic decisions that truly move our institutions forward in meaningful ways. And this characteristic is absolutely vital. It requires active participation from all organization levels. We're talking about leadership, faculty members, administrative staff, and of course, our students. Everyone must be involved in this transformative process for it to truly succeed. Now, this methodology comes in two main forms. First, we have the incremental approach, which focuses on small, continuous steps, building process gradually over time. And second, the radical approach, which seeks breakthrough change, transformative leaps forward that can reshape entire systems. An important example of this is Kaizen, a fascinating Japanese philosophy. It focuses on small but constant improvements and actively involves everyone in the organizations. Without exception, it's about democratizing improvement, making it everyone's responsibility and everyone's opportunity. The heart of all of this is the PDCA cycle, a systematic approach consisting of four essential phases: plan, do, check, and act. This cycle repeats continuously, creating an upward spiral of improvement, where each iteration builds upon the last. It begins with plan. In this phase, we establish clear objectives, design effective processes, and identify potential risks. All of this is based on our institutional context and the needs of our stakeholders, ensuring alignment from the very start. There comes do, where we implement the process we've planned. This includes all the pitching activities we carry out, our research projects, and administrative tasks that support institutional operations. This is where plans become reality, where theory meets practice. The third phase is check. Here, we carefully monitor our processes and measure results against established objectives. We use key performance indicators and, very importantly, student feedback to understand what's working and what needs adjustment. Finally, act. This is where we take corrective and preventive actions to improve performance. These decisions are based on the data analysis we conducted and the findings from our audits. It's about closing the cycle with decisive action that drives real change. So, what's the practical utility of all of this? First, it consistently ensures educational quality. We produce truly competent graduates who meet the highest professional standards and satisfy the social expectation of our communities. Quality becomes not just a goal, but a guarantee. Second, it actively fosters innovation in our teaching method, in our research projects, and in artistic creation. These make our institutions more competitive and more relevant in a constantly changing world, where adaptability and creativity are essential for success. And the final utility, perhaps the most important one, is verifiable social impact. We are transforming individual lives, strengthening entire communities, and actively contributing to the sustainable development of our society. This is education's ultimate purpose. To conclude, I invite all of you to actively commit. Let's integrate this approach into every one of our educational process. Only then can we build truly transformative higher education. Thank you so much for your attention. Do you have any questions?